Gonna put in some Bulldog catches on the cabinets, the little medicine cabinets that we added here and in the bathroom. We tried the little latch, and it comes with a magnet, and it seems okay, but when you hit a rough road, it's, yeah, this little lock moves enough, I can't get it to do it, but it does, believe me. So we're gonna do the Bulldog latch. They work pretty good. I don't think it'll ever come open again. I mean, that's what's on all of the rest of our doors. And, some are actually kind of hard to open, so especially the bedroom closet. So I think that'll work. They're really easy to put on. A couple screws and then put that in where you need it. Okay, that's one down. I don't think it's going to come open now. That's very tight. Probably will have to make sure that we push the top and lock it, because the whole thing's plastic in the back, so it's a little flexible. So when you just close it, it's not necessarily latching yet. So you just grab the top and lock it. It's good to me. Get the bathroom one on, and that'll be done. Okay, we got the one done in here. It was pretty simple too. Had to put it on the bottom because the top, as you can see, the glass goes way up here, so there was nowhere to put this, because we had to flip it upside down so the door would open this way and not have to open, and not be able to get to anything. But it works pretty good. It's better than it was, I know that.